Here are Ronnie's puppies. They're a week and a half old. We got 3 males and 1 female. We have a Boomer who's black, Liberty who is black, and the 2 tan is actually, one is a cream color and the other one's more of an apricot. And their names are Flash and Trucker, because they like to move a lot. So there they are. And we have 4 more that are ready to go. Video will follow. They're not doing anything. And we'll put the mama in so you can see the mama. There's mama. There's Ronnie. Oh. Hey, Ronnie. 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 Let's see your face. There's Ronnie. That's mama.